Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? I'll take y'all on a little walk around the homestead thing this morning and show you what's new and what we're finna do and what's new that we're finna do. I hope everybody's having a great Sunday, great weekend. I hope y'all don't watch professional football, but roll tide. Red light, I really do. It looks like garbage on camera. But I think since the last time I updated, we got 4 quail. They're about twice the size they were when I put them in there, so they're about 2 weeks old. Won't be long, they'll be ready to go in the pen. Probably another week and a half or so. Yeah, we hatched 4 quail out of 10 eggs, which that was Buckner's first time hatching. And my first time trying to save eggs and keep them good, so I consider that pretty decent. Alright, finally. I know we still had a few hanging on the last time I updated you. There's no big turkeys. All we got left is 4 ducks, 9 hens, and a rooster in this pen. They act like they're hungry. They still got food from yesterday. They're killing them. Still hadn't got any eggs. No. Doing my math and my figuring, these red hens are to be laying, but I think it's because they're getting into the moat. Some of them are coming out of the moat. I'm assuming we're going to get eggs pretty quick, so I got to get some laying boxes put in. I'm probably just gonna put 2 in the little tykes that everybody makes fun of, but it works. The quail are still being quail. That's all there'll ever be. I still need to kill a male or 2. I'm gonna wait to see what them look like. And maybe I got lucky and they're all females. I doubt it though. But let's check out the rabbits. They're retarded, but they're gentle, as y'all see. They're like that when they're hungry anyway. Okay, I planned on having the rabbits hanging up, but the pen I thought that was good needs a lot of work, and I hadn't got around to it. It's not that I've been lazy, it's that I hadn't had the money. I'm gonna try to get it done this week. No promises. The garden. Finna be some changes next time y'all see a video. These squash have made buds and blooms and everything you want to call it for a month and a half, 2 months, and I have not got a squash yet. I'm giving them till Monday because I actually think I seen a male and a female bloom at the same time yesterday. And after that, if they don't start putting on some stuff, they're gone. They're gonna be cabbage and broccoli and some more garlic. The cucumbers are steadily making, not a bunch, not even enough to make a jar of pickles yet, but that's probably because I eat icebox pickles every time they make 2 or 3 of them. But yeah, I don't know if I had the jalapenos the last time. They're starting to put a bunch of peppers on. Getting more tomatoes. I don't know if they'll make before the frost, but they're trying. The watermelons, daily they change, but I'm probably gonna pull them too. And the guineas, they're gonna make an appearance. There's 3 left, people. We lost 2 that day and haven't lost any more. And I tried to go get some more, but just financial things, you know. All right, Brother Reaper, the grains are looking good. And I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if it's gonna show up. But my garlic's starting to peak up. I was under the understanding that wouldn't happen till February sometime, but I don't know, and I'm not gonna complain. I just hope it'll last through the winter. There's the Guineas again, they following me around. We buddies. The mustards, they're looking good. And I got some garlic peeping up over here, not as much, but a couple are starting to peep up over here. This one don't get quite as much sun as the other one, so it's kind of strange how that works, being as close as they are. But it doesn't get quite as much of the evening sun and the afternoon sun. So we may have to move it, do something different. But kind of heavy, but I can probably put a dolly under it and move it. Dolly truck, hand truck, whatever y'all call them. I know everybody calls them something different. They're dollies, that's what I was born and raised calling them. Now we're gonna walk over here and check the 2 white guineas and the 2 Americanos that think they're guineas. I know it won't show up for shit on video, but I move them about every other day. And they're knocking me a little trail out, fertilizing it. We might try and make this some kind of garden over here next year. And I'm trying to get them to a certain spot, and then I'm gonna start moving them sideways. But you can definitely tell the difference though. That's what it looks like ahead of them most of the time. For some reason, these don't like me. None of the 4 like me. I'm their food, water source, they just don't like me. They're doing good. They're thriving. I was looking at going to straight mobile coops yesterday. I was gonna build a couple. And what used to be about $200 to build is over $450 now. So if I'm gonna spend $450, we're going to netting and a chickshaw, as all the other homesteaders call it. And we can move them all over this jungle. Keep it under control. Update on the tractor. Figured out what's wrong with it. It's gonna be like a $400 fix, but Buckner said to send him the stuff. Hey, Mike can fix it. If he can fix it, maybe it'll be a $200 fix. That would help a lot. But I hope y'all enjoy these farm updates. This one's early in the morning on Friday, like 7:45 probably. I gotta get over here and get fed. Gotta go out of town for a little bit today and get home. And I'm gonna try to mow the spot like y'all seen yesterday on Thursday's video. Y'all probably see it on Tuesday. I'm gonna mow and try to get my blind set up here at the house. But no guarantees. That mowing whooped my butt. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I said earlier, hope y'all having a wonderful Sunday, enjoying life, great weekend. You know, we gone.